Looking for that perfect mix of modern comfort and good old country charm? This North Carolina homestead sits on 5 beautiful acres and offers everything you need to live your best rural life, with all the upgrades that make it effortless. Whether you dream of a working farm, a peaceful retreat, or a place to build a truly sustainable lifestyle, this one checks all the boxes. Let's start with the land. 5 acres of open, usable ground, complete with a gentle creek running through it. It's fully fenced and ready for your animals, with 2 large stalls already in place. If chickens are your thing, you'll love the large chicken coop, plenty of space to raise your own eggs daily. For bigger projects, the spacious workshop gives you the room you need, whether it's woodworking, farming, or just tinkering. Now, the home itself. Step inside and you'll notice right away, this isn't your average farmhouse. The owners have poured love and attention into updating it beautifully. New windows and fresh flooring make it bright and inviting. The kitchen is a showstopper, featuring a handmade island and not one but 2 pantries, giving you endless storage for everything from fresh produce to home canned goods. The bathroom has been transformed into a spa-like retreat with wet room design, dual shower heads, and a built-in bench. It's rustic luxury at its best. Add in a wood stove for cozy winter nights, a new AC unit and upstairs mini splits, and you've got year-round comfort no matter the season. Step outside and the charm keeps on going. Scattered across the property are fruit and nut trees, peach, plum, pecan, walnut, along with muscadines and elderberries. Imagine harvesting your own orchard, making jams, or just enjoying fresh fruit right from your backyard. And then there's the pool, a 27-foot pool, 54 inches deep, surrounded by a massive 900 square foot deck. It comes with a heated and cooled pool house so you can entertain or just relax in comfort all summer long. The rock stairwell leading down to the pool area adds a special touch, like your own private resort. But that's not all. For those who love the homestead life, this property even has a cold smokehouse. Picture smoking your own bacon, jerky, or cheese right at home. It doesn't get more authentic or more delicious than that. This isn't just a home, it's a lifestyle, a place where you can gather eggs in the morning, cool off in the pool by afternoon, and sit under the stars at night with nothing but the sounds of nature around you. So whether you're looking to start a farm, embrace self-sufficient living, or just enjoy wide open space with modern comforts, this North Carolina homestead is ready to welcome you home. A rare find where country living meets everyday convenience.